Question: A dash is a large and expensive computer capable for performing scientific and business applications. Answer: supercomputer. Next question: chip is a common nickname for a. Answer: integrated circuit. Next question: a collection of unprocessed items is. Answer: data. Next question: these are specially designed computers that perform complex calculation extremely rapidly. Answer: supercomputers. Next question: integrated chips or ICs were started to be used for from which generation of computers? Answer: third generation. Next question: benefits of computers are. Answer: very fast and can store huge amount of data. Next question: the user generally applies dash to access mainframe or supercomputer. Answer: node. Next question: time sharing become possible in dash generation of computers. Answer: second. Question: a complete electronic circuit with a transistor and other electronic components on a small silicon chip is called a. Answer: integrated chip. Integrated circuit. Next question: data or information used to run the computer is called. Answer: processor. Next question: Pratyush is dash fastest supercomputer in the world. Answer: fourth fastest computer. Next question: integrated circuit or chips used in computers are made with. Answer: silicon. Next question: dash is data that has been organized by presented in a meaningful fashion. Answer: information. Next question: first supercomputer developed in India is. Answer: perm. Next question: the third generation supercomputer were made with. Answer: integrated circuits. Next question: which cycle consists of an input, processing, output and storage as its constituents? Answer: data. Next question: abacus can perform. Answer: both additional and subtraction. Next question: analog computer works on the supply of. Answer: continuous electric pulse. Next question: artificial intelligence is an example of. Answer: fifth generation computer. Next question: the earliest calculating device is. Answer: abacus. Next question: which is the India's first multi petaflops supercomputer? Answer: Pratyush. Next question: PCs are considered fourth generation and contain. Answer: microprocessor. Next question: the step and task needed to process data such as responses to questions or clicking an icon are called. Answer: instruction. Next question: Pratyush supercomputer is detected for. Answer: 1 multimedia, 2 weather forecasting and 3 recreation and 4 military's personal. Question: a hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of. Answer: analog and digital computers. Next question: who developed integrated chip? Answer: J.S. Kilby. Next question: Pascaline is also known by. Answer: adding machine. Next question: these computers work by calculating the binary digit. Answer: digital. Next question: computers basic architecture was developed by. Answer: Charles Babbage. Next question: the Napier's technology used for calculation called. Answer: rabbadology. Next question: seismograph is an example of. Answer: analog computer. Next question: first computer of India is. Answer: Siddharth.